Wemwega. Uhoro waku. Nedakunyita ugeni. Kikuyu lessons with Wanjiro. Today we are going to talk about the weather. Or for example, it's very cold outside, so we're going to learn how to say that in Kikuyu language and other weather phrases. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you can share this lesson with anyone who wants to learn Kikuyu language. And now, shall we start? Number one is it's cold. To say it's cold in Kikuyu is kwina heho. Kwina heho. It's very cold. We say kwina heho mono. Kwina heho mono, or heho nyigi. Heho nyigi. So heho is cold. In a sentence we can say, I find it very difficult to go outside when it's cold. We'll say ne nyonaga hinya kumaja reria kwina heho. Ne nyonaga hinya kumaja reria kwina heho. Ne nyonaga hinya kumaja reria kwina heho. Which is true. I haven't gone outside today. So a day like today, because it's very cold, it's actually foggy. So I live in Kikuyu, and when I look over to the other side, I always see Limuru, and it's very foggy in Limuru. So I'll say kwena, kefi, or kefu. Depends on where you come from. People say kefi or kefu, but I'll say kefi. Kwena, kefi. Kwena, kefi. So I can say when it's very cold, it's usually foggy. So I'll say reria kwena heho nyige negukoragwo na kefi. Reria kwena heho nyige negukoragwo na kefi. Reria kwina heho nyingi nigukoragwo na kefi. Then we have it is raining. When we learned nature terms, I told you that rain is bura, but to rain is kura. So when we want to say it is raining, I'll say nekoraura. An example is water comes through the window when it is raining. We will say mai ni maigiraga dirisaine reria kuraura. Mai ni maigiraga dirisaine reria kuraura. Or we can say mai ni maigiragira. Mai ni maigiragira dirisaine reria koraura. Next is drizzling. To drizzle is godudua. So to say it is drizzling, I'll say nekoradudua. It was drizzling when I arrived. For today's past tense, because we have many forms of past tenses in Kikuyu. So if it's today, I'll say negogoduduaga reria ginyire. Negogoduduaga reria ginyire. If it was yesterday, I would say nekoraduduaga reria dirakinyire. Nekoraduduaga reria dirakinyire. So godudua is to drizzle. If now I wanted to say it is wet, wet is koigoha. Oh, now that I'm teaching you, I find these words a bit difficult, but you can say them slowly. Koigoha. But to say it is wet outside, I'll say nekoigo. Maybe after rain, it's usually wet outside, so I'll say nekoigo. 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 And speaking of being wet, in the morning when there is dew, we say kwena ime. Kwena ime. Dew is called ime. Kwena ime. If I was to talk about sun, it is sunny. Sun is riowa. Riowa. But to be sunny is kwara riowa. Kwara riowa. So to say it is sunny, we can say nekwarete riowa. Nekwarete riowa. Nekwarete riowa, or riowa neriarete. Riowa neriarete. Riowa neriarete. But if I wanted to say it's going to be sunny today, I'll say nego kwara riowa omuthi. Nego kwara riowa omuthi. Or riowa nere kwara omuthi. Riowa nere kwara omuthi. And on that note, we can learn how to say it is hot. Hotness, we say orugare. Orugare. Or kohioha. To be hot, we say kohioha. We can say orugare. So when it's hot outside, we can say kwena orugare. Kwena orugare. And sometimes you can say nekohio. Nekohio. By the way, when someone is sick, when you're sick, your temperatures go up, we always say ena orugari. Mwana ena orugari. The baby is hot. Or dena orugari. Or if maybe I'm wearing a sweater when it's very sunny, I'll say nederaigwa orugari. Nederaigwa orugari. You know, I feel hot. I feel very, very hot. So I'll say nederaigwa orugari. We have cloudy. It is cloudy. We say kwena matu. Kwena matu. Matu are clouds. Generally, all clouds are called matu in Kikuyu. One is called itu. But when it's very cloudy, especially when it's about to rain, we always say kwena matu. Kwena matu. But you can always say kwena matu mabura. Matu mabura. You know, rain clouds. Matu mabura. In a sentence, we can say it's cloudy, but at least it's not raining. I'll say kwena matu no gotiraura. Kwena matu no gotiraura. Kwena matu no gotiraura. So, but the word, at least if I was to say that, I would say no newega gotiraura. No newega gotiraura. To talk about wind, it is windy. Wind is rohuho. Rohuho. So we say kwena rohuho. Kwena rohuho. If I was to say last night was a windy night, I'll say otuko waira orare otuko wa rohuho. Otuko wa ira orare otuko wa rohuho. If I was to say yesterday was a windy day, I'll say ira nekurare na rohuho. Ira nikurare na ruhuho. Ira nikurare na ruhuho. If generally we wanted to talk about good weather, I'll say riera riega. Riera riega. Because weather we say riera. Riera riega. So to say we are hoping for good weather on Sunday, I'll say niturehoka nigugakorwo na riera riega muthenya wa kiumia. Niturehoka nigugakorwo na riera riega muthenya wa kiumia. Niturehoka nigugakorwo na riera riega muthenya wa kiumia. To say bad weather, we'll say riera rioru. Riera rioru. Riera rioru. Riera rioru. Riera rioru. Sounds like a tongue twister. In an example, I can say we cancelled our plans because of bad weather. So cancel, people say gukaja, which is from English to cancel, kaja. Tukajire mifago ito niondo wa riera rioru. Tukajire mifago ito niondo wa riera rioru. But we can also say kweheria, like to remove. Tweheririe mifago ito niondo wa riera rioru. Tweheririe mifago ito niondo wa riera rioru. To my students who are learning this lesson from other countries which have snow, when it's snowy, we would say kwena barafu, kwena barafu, kwena barafu. So a storm, we say kehuhokanio, 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 kehuhokanio. But they don't really happen, so we rarely use those words. And with that, I hope you have learned something new today. I hope it will be helpful to you. Please talk about the weather today, talk about the weather tomorrow, and I will see you in the next lesson. Tigwa wega!